Hi, how are you? My name is Divya Bharrai. My student ID is 1006053. I am a learning student of Big Data System and Analysis, and this is Project Phase 4 implementation. So, my project is Community Flow Survey dataset. Now, this is the second video I have made relating to Phase 4, and this is related to Spark implementation. So, let me show the Spark queries that I will run in the VMware. So, let me go to the VMware. Here, this is the VMware of the Spark, and see, this is the training home, and I have stored my dataset in making one folder. Let me go to that folder. Training materials, data, and CFS. CFS is the commodity flow survey, and I have created a CFS folder where I have put my different files. So inside the data folder, I have put my CFS 2012 dataset, which is the dataset of my project, and I have created the output folder to put the output of my Spark query, and I have created two Python script that will run the Spark queries and give the output to the output folder. Now let me open the terminal here. Now let me show you the dataset I have uploaded in the Hadoop data system. So for this, let me enter in the Hadoop directory. It will list the Hadoop directory. So let's wait for the Hadoop directory to be listed. Here inside the Hadoop directory, there are two folders. One is CFS, which contains my dataset, and one is the CFS output, which have which consists of the output of my Spark queries. So let me run the script that's relating to the Spark. So I have created a Spark queries. Let me open the file, and this is the Spark Python script, and here I have written different codes to manipulate the column. So here, first of all, let me go through the overall script. Here I have imported the Spark configuration and Spark context from the PySpark. Then I have got the CSV file. Now this line is split is equal to record.split. Split the input record by comma, and my data is separated with commas. So the next line, extract the mode of transportation slash export country. Now this mode is called split 10 will extract the mode of transportation that is listed in the 10th column of my dataset, and now this export country will ex- will put the split of the export country list that is stored in the 17th column of my dataset. Now safest step is assigned as 0, and this line check if the mode of transportation is a digit or no. That is, if mode is digit, then it will go to the next if condition. So here the if condition is int mode is equal to 14. That is, if the mode of transportation is 14, that is parcel, UPS, or courier. And I have assigned now the shift state is assigned is equal to 1. Now the return statement, return export country and CFS this will return the origin and shift state status as a tuple. So this is the main logic of the query that I am going to implement in the Python. So now this establishes a connection to the Spark SC is equal to Spark context will start a connection to the Spark, then load the data input data. This line is called to sc.text file. This is the SDFS part where my data is stored, like user training CFS and CFS sample. That is this folder CFS folder where my data set is stored. Now this one, figure out the CFS stage and catch the data as it is being processed twice later. This mode export is called to lines.map will catch the data as it is being processed. So now this line will get the CFS test data and save as text to the Hadoop data file structure to the user training CFS output to the mode export to where. So it will put, after the query is run, it will save the output to the CFS output folder. And let me change the file name of the output that is stored here. So let me it should be unique, so let me make it unique by adding 123 here. As I have, as the previous file name is already created, so it gets the total value and value of the export mode, and the last line is iterate and write to a file. That is the csv.write will like open the output folder and write the file mode.csv into the output folder. I am showing the output folder in this directory. So this is the output folder where my output will be saved from this Python script. After running this Python script, the output of in CSV format will be saved into the output folder. So let me go to the terminal and run the Python script. So Spark submit. Let me run this one. This script mode export will run the Python script and it will do the and it will save the output to the output folder. So let me run this script. So it will take time to run the script, like it will start the MapReduce program and save the exported file to the output folder. So the MapReduce operation is being performed here. It will show different it will actually different queries. It will map, reduce everything and save the output to the output folder. So let's wait until the task is being performed. It will take time to run the query. So let's wait. It will create an RDD. It's the Hadoop RDD. And it splits the different column and it fetches the data from Hadoop data structure dataset and put the output to the Hadoop data structure and it will again write the output to the local output folder. So the code is being run and it's working. Let's see. So the script Python query is being executed. Now let me go to the output folder on my local. So this is the output folder on my local. So let me open this and I have saved my file as, let me show you once again. I have saved my file as in this. I have saved my file as mode.csv. So this is the output file for my query. So go to this and I'll open this mode.csv file. So this is the output of my query. So here we can see that different like count have been done. So this is the mode of no this is the mode of transportation is called to 14. That is it will like it will list the country when the mode of transportation 14 like through the parcel UPS whatever the data have been gone through parcel UPS to Canada. This is the total count of the parcel that has gone to Canada and this is the total count that is 4342 is the total count of parcels UPS and UPS. It counts the commodity flow through the parcel and UPS to Mexico, and this is count to the commodity flow that have occurred through parcel UPS to other countries. So this is the Python script and queries I have done and implemented in the project phase 4 second part video. So this is the output file and this is and with the help of Spark we can do different script and scripting things. So this is all about the project page 4 Spark execution and this is the output of my folder and this is my Python script and this is my dataset. Everything I have included uploaded in the canvas. So thank you and have a good day.